Good morning students, welcome to the new session of 11th science. Now the first chapter of this 11th science maths is set, relation and function. Okay, now already you know the term, the concept, the word of set. Now the word relation and function, which is new for you, and that we have to discuss in this year. So first of all, we have to consider or revise about the set, which you had learned already in previous year. Set, relation and function. Okay. So you know the word set. Set means it is the well-defined collection of object, or you may say the elements, and that set can be represented by the capital letters A, B, C, D and so on. So how to represent the set of a natural number? So we have to consider it as A, and then natural number which start from 1, 2 and like that. This is the representation of set. Okay. Actually the set of natural number you have to represent it by the symbol n. So whenever the set n we say, then it means that it is the set of natural number. Now if we have to write down the set of well-defined object, then that object can be represented by the small letters, and so this natural number set is also represented in two ways. That means in a set builder form, A such that A is a natural number. This is also the way to represent the set. Now, so you know the types of sets, you know the operation of set, that is types of set means what? Finite set, empty set, infinite set, natural number set, whole number set, integer set and all these things. So you had already learned in previous year. Now we come to the point relation. So to define the relation from the set, it is very necessary to define the two words, that is ordered pair and Cartesian product. These are the two main words, these are the two main concepts from which we have to discuss about the relations as well as the function. Okay, so what is the meaning of ordered pair? So for that, let us take the two sets, that is A, which is A, B, C, and another set which is B, 1, 2, 3. So ordered pair means it is a pair of two elements. Ordered pair means it is the pair of two elements from which the first element is from set A and the second element is from set B. Means that is A1, B1, C3 and like that. These all pairs are called the ordered pair. Now in this ordered pair, the first element A is called the first component and the second element from the set B is called the second component. is the first component and this one is the second component. And now if you have to take the set of all these ordered pairs and give the name, then that set is called the Cartesian product, and which is represented by like this one. So means what? Cartesian product means it is the set of ordered pair. Cartesian product means what? It is the set of ordered pair from the two different sets which are non-empty. Listen, the two sets are always non-empty. So this order Cartesian product means it is the set of all ordered pairs in which the ordered pair contains first element from the set A and the second element from the set B, and hence we also represent this Cartesian product as A B such that A belongs to the set A and B belongs to set B. Okay, so in this way we have to represent the Cartesian product. Now from this Cartesian product, from this Cartesian product we come to the topic of function. Again we have the different types of we come to the point relation. Now ordered pair from the set A, we take the elements from the set A like this one, two different sets, and from these two different sets we build up the ordered pair like this one, and the set of ordered pair is called the Cartesian product. And now from this Cartesian product we come to the concept of relation. अब हमें ना ये जैसे ऑर्डर पेयर बनाए हैं, ऑर्डर पेयर का जो सेट बनाया है उसे हम कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट कहेंगे। अब इस कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट से हम रिलेशन डिफाइन करेंगे। अब इस रिलेशन डिफाइन करने के लिए हमें दो सेट होना, A, which I will take that the set A as 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and we consider the set B, that is 1, 4, 9, 16. These are the two different sets, non-empty sets. Now again we form the ordered pair of these two sets, and from the two ordered pair, from this ordered pair we have to form the Cartesian product. First of all we have to form the ordered pair, and this, from the all ordered pairs we have to form its Cartesian product. Okay, so the ordered pairs are 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, 9, 1, 16, then 2, 1, and so on. And the last order pair is 4, 16. Okay. This is the Cartesian product. Now we have to consider some selected order pairs, और हम इसमें से कुछ selected order pairs लेंगे, कुछ selected order pairs लेंगे और उसका और एक सेट बनाएंगे जिसे हम कहेंगे सबसेट। इसमें से एक कुछ selected order pair लेके हम उनका एक अलग सा सेट बनाएंगे जिसे हम कहेंगे A क्रॉस B का इस कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट का सबसेट, जिसका नाम हम रखेंगे सपोज R। So R is the subset of A cross B, that is the Cartesian product, and then this R is the set of some selected ordered pairs from the Cartesian product A and B. So that contains the order pair 1 1, 1 4, so 2 4, 2 4, and then 3 9. Okay. This R set contain these 3 order pairs 1 1, 2 4 and 3 9. अब आप ये जो ऑर्डर पेयर देखेंगे इस R सेट में, इस R कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट की सेट में